is not always fun to everybody, but learning it is a necessity. And I don't know about you, whether you have public school kids or homeschool kids, this is going to be a game changer because it makes math fun. Now check this out. Go ahead, you can start popping some of them out. They are all magnetic, which magnetic in itself just becomes fun. And once you get all of these popped out, you are able to look on the board, and we're going to use these
it also
to be...
has dollars and percentage.
Oh, fantastic. I thought we were only doing fractions. This is even better. So you would put the magnets on here. For instance, it shows you that this line is 100%. Move over just a minute. And we're going to take this magnet, if I asked her what is a half, and she's able to put it on there and see visually that it's a half. You're able to use your hands and textilely put it on there, so it reinforces so many different areas. If you're speaking it, if you're seeing it, and if you're feeling it, it actually sinks in. So you are able to do the pies when you're learning that. There you go. Be able to play with some of those. And you're able to have a variety of different learning lessons from half all the way down to the 12th area. And not only that, it comes with its own little wipey board. So it does give you a space for the name in case you have several kids that you're working with all at the same time. But then if you need them to write down something, you would let them write it down and it erases right here. We are going to have hours of learning that is actually going to be fun. And if you are in need of something in your household to have a little bit more fun with your math, this is definitely something I would choose.